What is the largest organ in the human body? It's your skin. So technically, we're all just walking, talking skin bags. Stylish, aren't we? How much blood does the heart pump per day? About 2,000 gallons, enough to fill a small swimming pool, or perhaps a vampire's dream bathtub. What is the function of the liver? It filters toxins from the blood, produces bile, and plays a crucial role in metabolism basically. It's your body's overworked, underappreciated janitor. How long are the small intestines? About 20 feet, long enough to get lost in if you were shrunk down for a fantastic voyage. Though I wouldn't recommend it. What is the role of the kidneys? They filter waste products from the blood and produce urine. The ultimate waste management system efficient enough to run for office. How many bones are in the adult human body? 206. Enough to build a respectable Halloween skeleton. Or a truly terrifying xylophone. What is the strongest muscle in the human body? Your masseter, or jaw muscle. Perfect for competitive eating or chewing through life's more stubborn problems like that impossible to open plastic packaging. What is the function of the spleen? It filters old red blood cells and plays a role in the immune system. Think of it as the body's recycling center. Though it seems to miss a few things, considering how often we get colds. How much air do we breathe in a day? About 20,000 liters, enough to inflate a personal hot air balloon and float away from all your responsibilities. What is the function of the pancreas? It produces insulin and enzymes for digestion, the sugar police and the food processor. All in one impressive, multitasking organ. What is the longest bone in the human body? The femur, also known as your thigh bone. It's also known as the break a leg bone ironically. What is the function of the gallbladder? It stores and concentrates bile, essentially, a tiny bile warehouse. Riveting, I know. How many taste buds do we have? About 10,000. Still not enough to appreciate the subtle nuances of Brussels sprouts. What is the function of the appendix? The honest answer? We're not entirely sure. It might play a role in the immune system, but mostly it's famous for getting infected. It's the body's most notorious freeloader. How much does the human brain weigh? About 3 pounds. Proof that size isn't everything, especially when it comes to common sense. What is the function of the stomach? It breaks down food using acid and enzymes. It's like the body's internal chemical warfare lab. Safety goggles recommended. What is the smallest bone in the human body? The stapes, located in your ear. So small, you could lose it in your pocket or in your earwax. Good luck finding it. What is the function of the thyroid gland? It produces hormones that regulate metabolism, like a tiny conductor, leading a hormonal orchestra. Let's hope it's playing in tune. How long is the human digestive tract? About 30 feet. It's a marathon, not a sprint, for your food. What is the role of the pituitary gland? It produces hormones that control various bodily functions. It's the master puppeteer of your hormones, pulling all the strings. Let's hope it doesn't get them tangled. How many muscles are in the human body? Over 600, and I still can't find the motivation to hit the gym. What is the function of the hypothalamus? It regulates your body temperature, hunger, thirst, and other vital functions. Basically, it's the control freak of your brain. How much does the skin weigh? About 8 to 10 pounds. So, those few extra pounds might just be you. What is the function of the adrenal glands? They produce hormones that regulate your stress response. In other words, they're your personal stress factories. Working overtime, I'd imagine. How many teeth do adult humans have? 32. Hopefully enough for a lifetime of awkward small talk and forced smiles. What is the function of the thymus? It plays a crucial role in developing your immune system. Think of it as the immune system's boot camp, tough but essential. How long is the spinal cord? About 18 inches. It's the information superhighway of your body, and let me tell you, The traffic jams are brutal. What is the role of the pineal gland? It produces melatonin, which regulates sleep cycles. It's the sleep wizard, sometimes a little too good at its job. How many red blood cells are in the human body? About 20 to 30 trillion. That's a lot of tiny oxygen Uber drivers. Let's hope they know where they're going. What is the function of the lungs? They facilitate gas exchange, oxygen in, carbon dioxide out. They're your body's bellows, keeping you inflated and ready to face the day. Or deflate when you've had enough. How much does the liver weigh? About 3 pounds. Surprisingly heavy.